We back. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Gemini, and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is a bob. It is a feather bob from the company UNice. Y'all know the pink box Barbies. I love them over there. Their hair quality is so good, as well as their lace. Y'all, we are back with the pink box. Y'all know how it is. How I get down when I got the pink box. This is from UNice. And y'all already know they come with a bag full of goodies. The stocking caps, okay? I love them. The nails, the lace band, and the wig. This is a 7x5 by knots. Lace closure, it is in a bob. It's the feather bob, so like the bangs are feathered, they come pre-styled. I told y'all, honey, I am wanting these wigs that you literally take out the box, put it on your head and go. Can y'all get into it right here? I was just like, yeah, honey, this is gonna be one of the ones. It's the curls for me, it's the cut, okay? It's just for the girls who don't know how to do the layers and stuff. And UNiceHair say, hold on, baby, I got you, okay? So with all of my Bye Knots wigs, or my lace in general, I like to go in with this spray. It literally melts the lace because the lace is really good, but I am on a darker complexion because it's summertime, and so I just use this instead of makeup. But you don't have to if you don't want to. It melts once you put spray on it, but if you're looking to wear it 100% glueless, I highly recommend putting some type of foundation or powder or spray on your lace to make it a little bit more effortlessly for you. And as y'all can see right here, honey, I'm feeling myself because I'm just like, yes, baby. I was in a rush. I had to go, and I be wanting wigs that I could just throw on and walk out the door. So this wig, as you can see straight out the box, if I wanted to, I could just do a small press and I can go, and it's going to give my natural hair. However, I wanted a asymmetrical shorter bob. This was in the length 12 inches, I believe, and it was like an awkward length for me, only because I knew what I wanted to do with this unit. But if you want to, you can order in the 10, and it may be easier for you when it comes to in terms of like not having to do all the customization. But as you can see, I'm cutting off about 4 inches because I wanted it to be shorter, and I don't have a long neck, so 4 inches on a 12-inch wig is giving like 8, but baby, she does what she do. So what I'm doing here is I'm going in and I'm making a guide, and I'm going to take the unit off of my head, put it on my mannequin, and I'm going to do a clean cut across. And again, that is what I love about it being glueless, because you can take it off if you need to. After I do that, I'm going in and I am hot combing my baby hairs because I do want to give it a little bit of swoosh. And you're going to be able to see my stocking cap throughout it, but don't you worry, honey, because I'm going to go in and camouflage that. And if you can, you know, if you can afford to, you can definitely take the stocking cap off and don't have a stocking cap underneath, and it's going to give you a more seamless. But because I know how to camouflage mine, that is what I'm going to do, okay? Also, using some type of gel to do your baby hairs will actually help with you wearing the unit glueless. Just a pro tip. So if you are one of the ones that's like, look, I don't do no type of adhesive, and you're still wanting some type of extra security, definitely use gel to lay down your baby hairs. I am now just about to do some small touch-ups, like flat iron the leave out. This wig literally came out the box ready to go, but I wanted to make it more customizable to my head because, you know, it's me, girl. It is me, and I want to show y'all the versatility as well as showing you guys what it look like straight out the box. So again, honey, I can't get past my stocking cap, but it is what it is. And y'all can see how many times I have combed that bang, and that curl is still in this hair. That lets you know that this is some good quality hair because the curl is still in the hair. Like, that's crazy. Girl, that's some good stuff right there, okay? But I'm going to go in and redo my curls because of the way that I want my bang to fall. I'm just using the flat iron to take it over the back of my head. you're going to see, because I'm actually going to go in and cut it some more. So this is just a curl that's going to give me a guide. Once I finish this guide curl, I'm going to go in, make sure that I have bumped all my ends all the way around my head, making sure that everything is tight and needy, okay? Because what? It's the vibe. It's the vibe all the time. So yeah, right here I'm just going in flat ironing the front of my hair just to make sure that I have it going the way that I need for it to go, because I just want y'all to see how these curls is literally hanging in this hair. That is so freaking amazing to me. But also right here, you're going to see that I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut some more. Like I said, I just did that curl as a guide curl because I already knew, baby. Like, do you see how she fell? Do you see that? Girl, baby, listen, you nice. Thank you. Thank you, mama. I'll make sure that I have all the information that you need to get this unit down below, y'all. And 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend, because she's so cute and she's beginner friendly. Like, I still wanted to go in and cut some more because I just felt like I needed to. UNice is that girl. If you know about UNice, then you already know their company, their reputation speaks for themselves. I don't have to do too much. I can just tell y'all just a little bit and y'all get it, baby, because the girls that get it, period. So yeah, like I said, all the information that you need for this unit will be down below, as well as the specifications on this unit and anything else that you may need. And like I always say, honey, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because Instagram is what it's going to be to know how this hair wore throughout the day, if the curls fell throughout the day when it in this Atlanta heat. Honey, as y'all can see, I'm just cutting. I want it to be the way that I want it to be, honey. So yeah, girl, she's that girl. Let me know down below, like, would you wear the unit? What, if you would change anything, what would you change? Y'all let me know, and also let UNice know, okay? But I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one. Adios, amigos.